This is the new height of Jonathan Obsession. He is deciding to fly helicopters in torrential snow. This poor car is stuck in the snow. From the sounds of it, the car behind us hasn't managed to move yet. Oh, it looks like I'm in trouble. Money on whether the helicopter gets buried in the snow when it lands. Because it's snowing. Jonathan trying to dive bomb me with a helicopter.
I think it works so well with all the snow in it.
Generally, I would have said no. Fair enough. So what are your conclusions on snow flying?
I think it's fine as long as you don't get snow in the helicopter.
How do you propose to avoid the snow in the helicopter problem?
Yeah, have a look. See? All these electronic bits don't work so well with snow in them.
Yeah, electrics and water don't tend to mix very well.
Yeah, it's not more to do as well as it has. See? Snow in the battery. Keeps it cool.
And this is Jonathan using my hairdryer to try and salvage the helicopter.